every few years, the internet declares something dead. Email, blogging, even Facebook. And now everyone's asking the same question about SEO. Is search engine optimization really dying, or is it just transforming into something smarter? Let's be honest, traditional SEO isn't what it used to be. Because today's search experience has changed dramatically. Google isn't just showing you links, it's giving you answers. And not just Google, you've got ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity, all acting like answer engines, delivering instant responses instead of hundreds of blue links. The real driver behind the shift is AI. Google's new AI overviews or AIOs pull information directly from the web, summarizing it for users right on the results page. No need to click through multiple sites, and that's exactly where the problem lies for traditional SEO. Because when users get full conversational answers from AI summaries, they don't feel the need to visit your website anymore. This shift is creating what experts call a zero click world. More and more searches now end before the user even leaves the results page. According to multiple industry studies, organic clicks are steadily dropping as AI takes over the role of summarizing information. So, yes, for anyone still relying on the old model of SEO, it does look like the end. But here's the twist, it's not the death of SEO, it's simply the evolution of it. So now that we know SEO isn't dead, the real question is what's next? Because the way people search and the way information is delivered has changed completely. And this is where we learn about something called GEO or Generative Engine Optimization. It is like SEO's modern upgrade. It's the process of shaping your content so that AI systems can find it, understand it, and include it in their responses. Think of it this way, SEO helped you show up on Google. GEO helps you show up inside AI generated answers. It's about making your content easy for AI to read, reliable enough to quote, and detailed enough to actually add value to what the AI says. Because in this new world, it's not just about being searched, it's about being referenced. The main goal here is simple. You want your content to be the one that AI trusts enough to cite. That means creating pieces that answer real questions clearly, deeply, and accurately. When your content becomes a trusted source, AI platforms start pulling your insights into their summaries. And every time that happens, whether it's ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Google's AI overview, your visibility grows. So instead of chasing that old number one spot, the new goal is to become part of the answer itself. Now, because the game has changed, so have the metrics. We're now tracking things like how often your content is cited by AI, your share of AI voice, meaning how frequently your brand appears in generative answers compared to others, and generative appearance scores, which basically shows how visible your content is inside AI powered results. So instead of fighting for position on a results page, the new challenge is earning trust, authority, and credibility in the eyes of these AI engines. Use natural language, conversational tone, and long tail queries that reflect how people actually speak to AI assistants or search in full sentences. And don't forget the golden rule of Google, EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. In other words, prove you know what you're talking about. That means sharing real examples and personal experiences, citing credible studies and sources, earning backlinks from respected sites, and keeping your website secure and transparent. Even when you're using AI tools to assist your writing, remember, AI should help humans write better, not replace the human voice entirely. Google doesn't hate AI content, it hates lazy, low quality AI content. What performs best are articles that blend human insight with AI precision. Then there's something known as technical GEO and structured data. If content is the language humans understand, structured data is the language AI understands. Schema markup basically tells search engines, hey, this paragraph is a review, or this section explains how to steps. It transforms your website into a mini knowledge graph linking people, products, and services in a way that AI can easily read and reference. So make sure your pages use relevant schema like FAQ page and how to for educational content, product for e-commerce, speakable for voice search, and video object or image object for visual content. Also keep your formatting clean, short paragraphs, clear headings, bullet points. AI tools like Google's AIO love well-structured, scannable content that's easy to summarize. And one small but powerful move is to create an llm.txt file and update your robots.txt to allow trusted AI crawlers like OpenAI's GPT bot and Google AI. you want them to find you. Now let's talk tactics. What's actually working? Research shows that simple GU adjustments can boost visibility up to 40%. Here are the top performers. Add statistics. Numbers add credibility and context. Use quotes and citations. They build trust and help AI engines validate your authority. Third, fluency optimization. Rewrite content to sound natural, conversational, and easy to understand. AI loves clarity. The best approach is combining strategies, for instance, pairing fluency, optimization with solid data, and credible citations. That combination signals reliability, clarity, and depth, all things generative engines look for when choosing which sources to feature. Finally, visibility today isn't just about Google, it's about being everywhere your audience is. That brings us to the last concept, that is multimodal and omni-channel presence. People might ask questions on Reddit, watch reviews on YouTube, check tutorials on TikTok, and look for credibility on LinkedIn. If your brand isn't showing up across these platforms, you're missing the full visibility loop. For voice search, optimize for questions. Use conversational subheadings like "How does X work?" and provide 30 to 50 word concise answer that sounds natural when read aloud. For visual search like Google Lens or Gemini, make sure every image has keyword rich alternative text and descriptive captions and is surrounded by contextual text. AI models interpret visuals in context, not in isolation. And don't underestimate the power of branded searches. Consistency across all platforms, socials, directories, press mentions, all this helps LLMs understand your brand identity. Track your brand mentions and keep your digital presence unified. So that was all for this video. Thank you and see you in the next one.